Justin Flugum from Additive Guru. Today we're going to look at cleaning your extruder gear on your Ender 3 or any other printer for that matter. This little tiny gear right here gets filament jammed up in it over time. And what ends up happening is these little teeth that are right in here will get filament residue on them. So the best way to do it is usually just to get a pick in there and just pick it off, and you can rotate it by either pulling the filament or pushing the filament based on what you need to get out, and just keep picking away until you get all the filament off of the actual gear, and making sure to look and make sure you've got all of it off the teeth. You can also use a wire brush, but this is actually more accurate, and that's pretty much how you'd clean an extruder gear.